Load dirty crates onto the conveyor belt. Removable observation windows allow monitoring of the cleaning process. The crates come out spotless after washing. PLC control system with customizable settings. Pre-wash with spray detergent. Main wash with hot water rinse. Rinse phase with high-pressure rinse. Integrated drying system to prevent bacterial growth. Optimize your cleaning process with the crate washing machine. Designed for efficiency, reliability, and superior hygiene. Longpeel offers high-performance solutions for crate washing.